Yes, hello everyone. I hope I'm audible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start with the next problem without wasting any more time. Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So note down the next problem statement. Next problem statement is draw a DFA. Draw a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's. Draw a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's having even number of A's, having even number of A's and having even number of B's. Okay, I'll read the problem statement once again. Draw a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's which have even number of A's and even number of B's. So now DFA draw करना है. What is the alphabet given to us? Can anyone tell me? What is sigma?
A and B.
Yes, it is
A and
A
B.
and B. Correct. It is A and B. और किस चीज के लिए draw करना है? The language given to us is we have to draw a DFA which should contain all such strings. The language L should contain all such strings that the string should either have even number of A's or even number of B's. तो इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए क्या करते हैं? We are given with and, right? Language is given to us as even A's and even number of B's. So even A's and even B's ऐसे दिया है, right? What we are going to do is we are going to design a DFA for even number of A's first. Then we will design a separate DFA for even number of B's. और फिर हम उसे combine करेंगे. Okay, understood? So even number of A's means either zero number of A's or at least two number of A's, or one single A is not allowed, right? 2 A's, 4 A's, 6 A's, ऐसे A's allowed होने चाहिए. So let's design a DFA. बोलो मुझे सबसे पहले, if the state is Q0, Q0 is the start state, okay? और हमें किस चीज के लिए? इवन नंबर ऑफ एज के लिए डिजाइन करना है, राइट? सो लेट्स गिव a 1A as an input to Q0. It will transit to Q1. Now should this 1A be allowed in the DFA? ये allowed होना चाहिए क्या?
No.
No, it should not be allowed. We want one more A, right? और एक A के बाद एक और A अगर दिया, suppose Q3 state में भी हम जा सकते हैं, but then Q3 will be the final state because 2 A's will be accepted. But what if 4 A's are there? तो ऐसे हम इतने सारे states तो create नहीं कर सकते, right? We want a loop so that even number of A's should be accepted. So 1A Q1 पे accept हो गया, तो Q1 पे अगर एक और A दिया, and if it comes to Q0, now what happens? 2H should be allowed, so we can say that Q0 can be our final state, right? We can say that Q0 will be our final state because 2A's are allowed, or even 0A's are allowed. Q0 is the start state, and without accepting any input, if that particular finite automata ends, then also it is valid because it is accepting zero number of A's. Is this thing clear to you all? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. तो
Yes,
यहाँ
ma'am.
पे क्या हो रहा है इस DFA में? 2A's, either 0A's are allowed, 2A's are allowed, 4 number of A's are also allowed, but 3 number of A's are not allowed. क्यों? क्योंकि फर्स्ट A Q1 पे जा रहा है, सेकंड A Q0 पे जा रहा है, थर्ड A फिर से Q1 पे जा रहा है. So Q1 is our rejecting state. Q1 is not our accepting state. Clear? So this is DFA which is designed for even number of A's. Now let's design a DFA for even number of B's. Okay, अब even number of B's के लिए states का representation थोड़ा अलग लेंगे. Okay, suppose capital A इज द स्टार्ट स्टेट. ओके, आप स्टेट्स का नाम कुछ भी डिनोट कर सकते हो. सपोज कैपिटल ए इज द स्टार्ट स्टेट, सेम डीएफए आएगा, ओनली व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, दे विल एक्सेप्ट नंबर ऑफ बीड्स, even number of beads, and A will be the final state. These are the even number of bees. यहां तक क्लियर है सबको? Any doubt? Yes, any doubt यहां तक?
No, ma'am.
ओके, तो इवन नंबर ऑफ एज के लिए ये डीएफए हो गया, इवन नंबर ऑफ बीस के लिए ये डीएफए हो गया. अब हमें क्या करना है, ऐसी लैंग्वेज डिजाइन करना है विच शुड एक्सेप्ट बोथ. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कंबाइन इट. ओके, नाउ कितने नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स है? फर्स्ट वाला डीएफए ये है, सेकंड वाला डीएफए ये है. सो फर्स्ट वाले डीएफए में कितने नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स हैं? वी हैव 2 number of states. So we are going to draw this particular DFA for 2 times. Okay, 2 times कैसे डिजाइन करेंगे? Q0, ये सर्कल थोड़ा बड़ा ड्रॉ करना क्योंकि हम ओवरलैप करने वाले हैं. ओके, एंड वाइल डिजाइनिंग डोंट ड्रॉ द फाइनल स्टेट. ओके, फाइनल स्टेट किसे मार्क करना है वो भी आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. सो Q0, it when A is given as an input it goes to Q1, when A is given as an input to Q1 it goes to Q0. Q0 being the start state. Okay, फाइनल स्टेट हम मार्क नहीं कर रहे. ये फर्स्ट डीएफए में 2 स्टेट्स है, इसीलिए हम ये डीएफए 2 बार ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, पैरेलल टू इटसेल्फ. अगेन वी आर डिजाइनिंग अ Q0. If A is given as an input Q1, then A is given as an input, being this as the start state again. Okay, so we have designed this for 2 times. अब ये जो second DFA है ये इस पे ओवरलैप करना है, but we have to overlap this DFA vertically over this. This DFA also has 2 states. Okay, this DFA also has 2 states. So हमें overlap कैसे करना है? इसे हमें vertically tilt करके overlap करना है. So A state should be overlapped with Q0 and B state should be overlapped with this Q0. Okay, तो इसे overlap करेंगे तो this state will be Q0A and this state will be Q0B. So from A, if we are giving an input as B, and from B, if we are giving an input to A. So this is how we have overlapped this DFA for one single time, and then we are overlapping this DFA in the same way here itself vertically. ऐसे ही यहाँ पे भी overlap करेंगे. So the new state will be Q1A and this new state will be Q1B. सेम यहाँ से फिर से B इनपुट जाएगा और यहाँ से B इनपुट जाएगा. ओके, ये ओवरलैपिंग समझ में आया? ये ओवरलैपिंग समझ में आया?
यस मैम.
यस.
Yes, ma'am.
तो यहाँ पे ये वाले डीएफए में जितने नंबर ऑफ स्टेट है उतने टाइम ये डीएफए हमें डिजाइन करना है. यहाँ पे 2 स्टेट्स थे इसीलिए हमने ये 2 बार डिजाइन किया और इसे हमने वर्टिकली ओवरलैप किया इसके साथ. ठीक है, अब Q0A विल बी द स्टार्ट स्टेट ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि दोनों का स्टार्ट स्टेट ये है. Q0 is the start state for this DFA and A is the start state for this DFA. Okay, so this will not be a start state. Q0A will be the start state. Now regarding final state, it should accept even number of A's and even number of B's. Here Q0 is the final state and here A is the final state. So combiningly Q0A should be your final state. So this one state will be our final state. This is your final DFA. Okay, अब इसमें strings accept करके देखो. According to our language, strings can be AA, BB, BA, BA, AB, AB and so on. ये strings accept होते हैं क्या? थोड़ा check करो. Check करो and tell me whether these strings are accepted or not. The language given to us is that only even number of A's and even number of B's should be present. उनका sequence matter नहीं करता. Your string can start with A or your string can start with a B. It doesn't matter. Or accept. All the strings are accepted. All these 3 strings I have written here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
all
ma'am.
these three strings are accepted. What about this string A B A B B? Will this string be accepted? चेक करो और फाइनल स्टेट क्या है
No.
बोलो मुझे.
No.
ये स्ट्रिंग का एक्सेप्टेंस चेक करो और व्हाट इज द फाइनल स्टेट दैट यू आर गेटिंग. टेल मी फॉर दिस.
Q0B. Q0.
Yes, correct. Q0B, but Q0B is not our final state, right? So Q0B being a rejecting state, this string will be rejected by the DFA, and all these three strings will be accepted by the DFA. Correct. Now this is the problem given to you for designing even number of A's and even number of B's. Suppose here if we are doing the variation, same variation, okay. For example, I am giving you the problem statement to solve for even number of A's and odd number of B's. Can you do it? Even number of A's and odd number of B's कैसे करेंगे बोलो एक बार. Yes, anyone can answer. Even number of A's and odd number of B's. Same logic से करना है.
Ma'am, like for the even number of A's, it would be same, but for the odd number of B's, like we could just make the B as a final state so that like it could accept the only odd number.
Yes, correct. Even number of A's के लिए DFA same रहेगा. Q0 will be the start state and Q0 itself will be the final state क्योंकि हमें even number of A's accept करना है. Okay, even A's. But regarding odd number of B's, if capital A being the start state, one single B should be accepted by the DFA, right? One single B should be accepted by the DFA. So B will be your final state. If you will give one more B here as an input, then the third B, till the third B accepts, it should not stop, right? So this will be the DFA for odd number of B's. अब even number of A's and odd number of B's के लिए अगर हम ऐसे DFA डिजाइन करेंगे तो डिजाइन करो और मुझे बोलो फाइनल स्टेट क्या होगी.
Q0B.
Q0B.
Correct. Final state will be Q0B. Correct. Same thing for odd number of A's and even number of B's. Odd number of A's and even number of B's. Now what will be the final state?
Q1A.
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 Correct. Q1A. So odd number of A's and even number of B's. Final state will be Q1A. Odd number of A's and odd number of B's. इसके लिए final state क्या होगी?
Q1B.
Q1B. Correct. तो ऐसे कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन में अगर आपको पूछा तो आपका DFA तो सेम ही आएगा बट देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंस इन फाइनल स्टेट्स, राइट? देयर विल बी अ डिफरेंस इन फाइनल स्टेट्स. तो यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है तो बोलो, अदरवाइज वी विल स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. एनी डाउट टिल नाउ?
No, ma'am.
Yes, okay, fine. Let's start with the next problem. Next problem statement है यूनिवर्सिटी के क्वेश्चन पेपर से लिया हुआ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है. आपको ही मुझे बताना है कि कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट इज obtain a DFA, obtain a DFA to accept the following language. Obtain a DFA to accept a following language. So language given to you is L is equals to W. L is the language which contains the string W such that number of A's in W should be greater than or equal to 1 and number of B's in W should be equal to 2. This is the university problem statement that is asked. Okay, what language is given to you? Number of A's in string W should be greater than or equal to 1 and number of B's in W should be equal to 2. First of all, what is your alphabet? What is your alphabet?
A and B.
Yes, alphabet is A and B. Then what is the language saying? That number of A's in a string should be greater than or equal to 1. तो minimum 1 A तो हर एक string में आना ही चाहिए, right? And एक से ज्यादा कितने भी A's हो सकते हैं. And number of B should be only 2. Number of B's in the string are equal to 2. सेम लॉजिक जैसे हमने प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में इंप्लीमेंट किया था, सेम लॉजिक से कर सकते हैं ना? Yes, can we design two DFAs for these two different problem statement given to us? So can we design a DFA for number of A's in string should be greater than or equal to 1? इसके लिए DFA डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. कैसे डिजाइन कर सकते हैं बोलो? Yes, Q0 being the start state, suppose. Q0 is the start state. Number of A's in a given string should be greater than or equal to 1. बोलो कैसे डिजाइन करेंगे? What is the minimum requirement? What is the हाँ?
It will go to the Q1 state, and if more than that one will be there, it will have a self loop of A
Correct.
in the
Okay.
Q1 state.
So Q0 से अगर एक A input दिया, it should transit to Q1 state, right? And then what you said, can you repeat?
And then if A bit is found, then it will have a self loop.
Correct. Correct.
That is
Very
condition.
correct. Correct. For all the remaining A's, we should have a self loop for A and Q1 being the final state. Because what is our condition? Minimum एक A तो होना ही चाहिए. तो Q0 पे एक A अगर input दिया तो एक A accept होना ही चाहिए. So only one A is accepted here being Q1 as the final state. And after A कितने भी number of A's हो सकते हैं. That's why we have taken here the self loop. Correct. Very correct. Now what about the next problem statement? Number of B's in W should be equal to 2. Number of B should be compulsory 2, not less than, not more than that.
Q0 will be the final state. If B is given as the input, then it will go to the Q1. And then if again B is found, it will go to the Q0 and it will become final state.
नहीं, पर वो तो लूप हो जाएगा ना, जैसे तुम बोल रही हो. It will be a loop. Q0 to Q1 B जाएगा, फिर से Q1 to Q0 B जाएगा, and Q0 being the final state. So 4 number of B's are also allowed there. We want exactly 2 B's. है ना? तुम जैसे
Ma'am, the initial stage will be Q0. If one B is given, it will go to state Q1. And again, if one B is given, it will go to state Q2. And Q2 will be the final state.
Correct. Correct. Now this is correct. So let's have a different representation here as we are going to combine it. Suppose capital A is the initial state. Okay, capital A is the start state. If one B is given as an input, it will transit to the next state B, as we want exactly 2 B's, not more than, not less than. Exactly number of B's in W should be equal to 2. So first B दिया, second B दिया, C पे transit किया, exactly 2 B's हो गए. C will be your final state. Okay, this C will be your final state. So this is the DFA for both of this. both of the conditions given to us. अब हमें क्या करना है, इसे कंबाइन करना है. ओके, तो कंबाइन कैसे करेंगे? ये सेकंड वाले डीएफए में कितने नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स है? 3, 1, 2 एंड 3 स्टेट्स है. तो फर्स्ट वाला डीएफए हमें उतने टाइम्स ड्रॉ करना है, 1, 2 एंड 3 टाइम्स. ओके, सो Q0 A and Q1 A being the self loop, Q0 is the start state. Okay, again one more time, 3 times draw करना है क्योंकि सेकेंड वाले DFA में 3 states है. Q1 self loop, then next is Q0 A, Q1 सेल्फ लूप. ओके, ये 3 टाइम्स ड्रॉ किया. अब ये सेकेंड वाले DFA को वर्टिकली इस पे ओवरलैप करना है. Okay, simply, so this A will be overlapped with Q0, so this state will be Q0A, this state will be Q0B, and this state will be Q0C, being B given as an input. Same यहाँ पे, this will be Q1A, this will be Q1B, and this will be Q1C, so B being input. अब यहाँ पे Q0 start state है, A start state है, so start state for this DFA will be Q0 A, and what will be the final state? What will be the final state?
Q1C.
Yes, Q1C will be the final state. This is your final DFA. You can try accepting any multiple number of strings here. बहुत सारे strings accept करने के लिए आप try कर सकते हो. Okay, suppose this language has A, B, B, then B, A, B, A, and so on. Will both of these strings be accepted here? First and second string that I have written here, will they be accepted here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
both
ma'am.
of them will be accepted. Okay. Both of them will be accepted. So have you understood till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me at any time. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock. That's all for today. And thank you all of you. If you have